In today's segment, we're going to talk about the suite that drives the Kingland platform, the Kingland Cognitive Computing Suite. When we talk about cognitive computing, we're talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and bringing structure to unstructured data. The outcome is for you to derive context, insight, and action from your enterprise data. To help you understand how we do it here at Kingland, let's walk through the Kingland Cognitive Computing Suite at the highest level of our architecture. We use 4 personas to describe how businesses move from just collecting data to delivering actionable insight that improves business processes. And as a part of the Kingland platform, this is how we help our clients get 60 to 80% of the way toward their solution. Let's take a closer look. The collector is responsible for gathering as much data as possible. The collector answers questions such as, what data can I collect and what's the best way to organize and curate my data? Unstructured data, raw content, websites with HTML, Microsoft Office documents, PDFs, and more. After mining all that information, all the collected data moves to a data lake for further processing by our next persona, the scholar. The scholar drives a deeper level of understanding into the data. It's going to perform a level of tagging and annotation on the data. The scholar wants to understand how could the data be used if it's seen this data before and what types of data it has. Let's draw up an example where we see some unstructured data around ABC Company. ABC Company is entering into an agreement to acquire XYZ Company. In this example, the scholar is really involved in tagging companies and actions with that information. The scholar will tag ABC Company as a company or organization. It will tag XYZ Company as a company or organization, and it will tag acquire as an action. All this data gets stored after it's been invoked from a tagging and annotation service perspective. This tagging and annotation process allows the information to be cataloged, giving it context so it can relate to otherwise raw content of the unstructured data within the data lake. The inventor then steps in, takes all of this information, and tries to figure out what ideas or solutions are possible. By discovering patterns or nuances, the inventor uses the information in your data lake to uncover an infinite number of potential decisions. Our last persona of the Cognitive Computing Suite is the CEO. The CEO is involved in making all the big decisions around that tagging and annotation. We use an informative pipeline that employs techniques such as deeper language processing, deeper machine learning capabilities, along with supervised and unsupervised learning capabilities. This persona looks at how past decisions could impact current decisions and works to make better decisions over time. In summary, we've created 4 personas. The collector brings in all of your unstructured data and raw content at high scale. The scholar tags and annotates the data. The inventor discovers all the possible decisions from the data. And the CEO is going to make the best decision, remembering how past decisions could impact current outcomes. Visit kingland.com/platform to learn more about the Cognitive Computing Suite and the other suites of the Kingland platform.